Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, sorry the camera is so far away, but I'm not going to take a chance. So, don't try this at home. Okay, time to get rid of this stuff. Oh yeah, it's gonna get a little loud. And just so you know, this is killing my hands. But it has to get done. One thing done. Okay. I did find out what this green bag was. Believe it or not, it's a Christmas tree. So not even gonna deal with it. Going in the trash. So I don't know what I should use that for. Yeah. I sure like those nuts and bolts. But I'm finding out that there's a lot of solid pieces of brass. So that is something that I'm gonna but there's a lot of heavy steel in here, so I've already gone through some of this stuff. Looks like an old map. Los Angeles, Ventura fold-out map, and it's ripped, so I can't sell that. Hubcap to a Volkswagen, I'm going to sell that. Kind of hoping that there was 4 more. The hell is this? just boxes. Those are nice little boxes. Angle plate, 3x3x3. That's what was in there. And this looks like another set of empty boxes. Be good for. And then he had a whole bunch of flat washers, size quarter. There's a bunch of those. And fasteners. And then we got looks like an eyeglass case or something. Doesn't look like anything in it. Yeah, eyeglass case. Road Atlas 2002 and beyond. See, a lot of this is trash. Somebody might want an old Harley. So, drill bits, Allen keys, these are for your mouse. See, it's stuff like this that I have no clue what it has to do with. But there's a lot. He was a welder. And I don't know if this, I don't think that's brass. If it is, it's one piece of brass. Some kind of plate. Don't know. But I'll try to sell it. Somebody out there might know what it is. So, now we got another air compressor. This one looks like it broke. So, I'll take this is some kind of hood. I think this is a sandblasting. I think it is. More metal, some wood. I don't know what these are. I might want to sell them. There's boxes of them down here. Show you guys what I'm talking about. This is what I'm referring to. We're still recording? Yep. So, can anybody tell me what this would be used for? It has a flat bottom. Maybe I'll take one of these to work and ask people, because I don't know what you would use these for, but see here's a different version. This one kind of looks bent. Oh, actually it's broke. But there's a lot of them here. I don't know what they're used for. So, yeah. Whew. So I'm getting this area cleaned out. I'm gonna take this home. 5-gallon bucket of laundry detergent.